Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Site Guru. So finally friends, the Mi11X device did receive the software update, which is Miui 12.5.3 version. And this update is going to be really very biggest update friends for the Mi11X device. Trust me, this update improves a lot of performance in this device. Yeah, it's kind of next level. So right now let's see what are the things got added and what is the size of the update and everything. I'll let you talk about in this entire video. So first thing is that let's check the size of the update. It's about close to 410 MB as you can see friends right now. And the update version is about 12.5.3 update. As you can see, 3 version which right now a lot of users did receive this kind of update, and right now I'm trying to use another beta version as well, which is a 12.5.6 version. That is the reason I did ask few of my subscribers to send me the screenshot, and thank you for all sending me the screenshot as well. So right now as you can see friends, exactly 410 MB size, and here is the list of features which got added as you can see. So first thing, I did say that MIUI 12.5 enhancement update will improve a lot of performance. Yes friends, trust me, in the Mi11X device I did feel a lot of change in terms of the RAM management. It feels really smooth. It's not like before completely. It feels really good and smooth as well after this MIUI 12.5 enhancement update as well. And with this you do get the shift performance and focused algorithm and optimized memory and liquid storage. So I'll try to explain you what is all this kind of information means and what are the features got added as well. So next, there are other problem about the lock screen. So lock screen issue got fixed as well, and something about the status bar as well and the notification shared as you can see. And next thing, this update, after the updating to the MIUI 12.5.3, the Android security patch update also updated to the August security patch. Let me just show you that. As you can see friends, August security patch update. We got the August security patch in the Mi11X device. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. The main key highlight point for this is that finally the Mi11X did get the RAM expansion. So right now you're trying to see the RAM expansion 2 GB for the 6 GB RAM variant. The variant which I'm trying to use in the video is a 6 GB RAM variant, as you can see exactly. So for 6 GB, 2 GB RAM got expanded. For 8 GB, I think the 3 GB will be expanded. That's what I'm expecting. As you can see, 3 GB got expanded in the 8 GB RAM variants in other phone. I'm trying to talk about other model. So that is what my guess would be there in terms of the RAM expansion. And there is no option to select multiple RAM. For example, in the Realme phones, they do offer the 2 GB, 3 GB and 5 GB. There's nothing, you cannot select any kind of individual RAM, but you can just select RAM expansion, that's it. And in the battery section, there is no option of adding into the performance boosters. So before I did mention in the beta testing which I'm trying to use, there's a performance option got enabled, but right now still the performance option not got enabled with this kind of latest option. That is the one which is pending at this moment. Let me show you exactly what I'm trying to talk about is a battery. So in the battery, as you can see, the performance, so which got added in the beta testing which I'm trying to do right now. And that is not available at this moment. Maybe with the next update we might get that kind of performance option as well. So don't worry friends, even though you get the performance, there is nothing much huge different I did see using that performance mode. But the thing is that the RAM optimization will be really good. You can find the RAM expansion under the additional settings, and then you can actually find the memory extension. As you can see, the option, once you click on the memory extension, you can get this kind of 2 GB RAM availability, as you can see friends clearly. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. These are the details about the latest updates, size and all the features, and what are the things you should know about the Mi11X device. Let me know in the comment section below after updating how is your phone experience. That is what I'm just trying to look after the comments, because I did get very positive comments about this Mi11X in terms of the updates. As you can see, it feels very smooth and very much improvement in terms of the performance. As you can see, these are the feedbacks which I'm getting on this Mi11X device. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this latest update. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.